I got my little, whatever it was. I can't remember what it's called. Little dude, that's right. Little dude's in there. It's not. Sorry. And my moss friend is up there still. All the way up there on the box. You can't really see him. He's like there. In safe from the rain. But yeah. Hi. I don't even know what I was saying.